All this week, we're taking you to the world's northernmost and fastest warming community of Svalbard, Norway. After meeting the people who live there and seeing what scientists are learning there, you will better understand what's happening where we live. This is On the Dot with me, David Schechter.
And we're beginning a week-long series about the impact of warming temperatures here and around the world. For perspective, winter in San Francisco has become nearly 3 degrees warmer on average since 1975. And experts say that trend will continue and the Arctic is warming even faster. And tonight, David Schechter explains how the warming up there impacts weather everywhere.
Svalbard is the northernmost community in the world, which makes it home to the northernmost pub, the northernmost brewery.
You guys make good beer.
And the northernmost cafe.
New rule, all coffee shops must have Huskies.
The Arctic is warming 3 to 4 times faster than the rest of the world, and that's why we're here. In Svalbard, they have these cold, deep ocean inlets. They're called fjords.
When I was here in the early 2000s, the fjord out here froze. It doesn't anymore.
Anna Schwebblom is a meteorologist at the University Center in Svalbard.
Why is it warming so much faster here than other places on the planet?
I think the biggest thing is that we have the ice around here, especially over the ocean.
So let's talk about sea ice. Anna is saying when ocean water is covered by ice and snow, most of the sun's rays bounce back into the atmosphere. That shields the water below from the heat of the sun. But in a warmer Arctic, ice and snow are melting. Now the sun can hit open water and heat it up. As the warmth spreads, it helps melt more snow and ice. It's a loop that just keeps going.
So if we start this sort of feedback process, it goes really quickly.
So if it's warmer here at the pole, how does that affect me in Los Angeles or in Miami or something like that?
We want it to be cold at the poles and we want it to be warm at the equator. And if you don't have that, you won't have the same type of weather patterns.
Most of our weather in the US is dictated by something called the jet stream. Basically, it's fast-moving winds that travel horizontally high in the atmosphere. The jet stream is most stable when there's big differences in temperature between cold air and warm air. As the Arctic warms and the temperature difference shrinks, the jet stream can get wobbly and slow down. Emerging research suggests that may lead to slower weather patterns that stick around longer, potentially leading to more persistent cold and hot weather, even dry and wet weather.
But if that balance is starting to change, then of course everything else will start to change as well. And we'll get a completely new type of normal, if you put it like that. And that's probably something the world isn't ready for.
You went all the way to Norway. Who was the most memorable person you had a chance to meet?
Oh, Ryan, I would say a scientist. His name was Jack. He took me on a helicopter to see the melting glaciers. That was incredible and really impactful. You'll see that later this week. He's an American who's been working in Svalbard, Norway for decades. And he helped me understand just in my own lifetime, Svalbard has warmed almost 14 degrees during the winter. That is the fastest warming place in the world. Jack says what happens in the Arctic doesn't stay in the Arctic. So that's what we'll be talking about all week, how we are affected here by what's happening there.
Yeah, it's fascinating and frightening at the same time. So thank you, David, for your insights, and we look forward to all your reports all week.